Hey, what's good everyone? Today we're unboxing the DJI Flip Drone, a compact, powerful device perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. Let's dive right in. First thing first, we got the user manual, the DJI sticker, and what it looks to be like some warranty information, which I highly recommend getting, being that this is a drone and all. Next, boxed up comes with some replacement propellers, which is a good addition to this drone, being that any accident could happen and you would probably need to replace these at some time. But if you're a good pilot, shouldn't have that issue. Next out of the box is a Type-C to Type-C PD cable, along with an RC cable that has the lightning connector for those who may have the older iPhones, and you could use your Type-C as well for newer phones. Also comes with a screwdriver, which is pretty handy. Last item out of this box is the DJI RC N3 remote controller. It looks a lot smaller in person. On the front, you have your power button, your flight mode switch, which allows you to toggle between different flight modes, and your return to home button, along with a camera shutter button located at the top right bumper. And on the other bumper, you have the camera's gimbal tilt, which gives you a smooth, precise control over the camera angle so you can quickly change your viewpoint during flight. Inside of the controller is a phone spring, which seems to be very durable, allowing you to put any size device inside of this spring without any worries of it falling out during flight. Located at the bottom of the controller is two screw-in joysticks, which tie in very securely. However, I hope I never break these or lose these in the process of using my drone. Now, the moment we all been waiting for is the DJI Flip Drone. Let's take a closer look at this thing. Now, granted, this is my first drone, but this thing looks funky. I like it. Man, look how compact this thing is. Fits right in the palm of my hand like it's nothing. Crazy how much power they packed into something so small. Definitely travel friendly, where I could throw it in my bag without any worries of it taking up too much room. The sticker states to charge it before using the drone before its first flight. Now that we know what it looks like when it's closed, let's take a look at it when it's open. I'd admit this is one cool looking drone. The propeller is protected by these wire guards, which seem very sturdy in case it was to fly into some trees. The drone itself is in a plastic hard material, which also looks to be very durable. The camera lens also comes with two protective covers. One is hard plastic and the other one is a rubber material, which seems very easy to take off and put back on when needed. The drone weighs in at 249 grams, which is designed to stay under the 250-gram weight limit set for aviation authorities like the FAA. The drone is also equipped with a 3100 milliamp battery, offering a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes under optimal conditions. However, real-world flight times typically range from 22 to 28 minutes, depending on factors such as wind condition and flight maneuvers. It's a pretty thin-looking drone. The side profile doesn't add too much width to it whatsoever. I will be pairing this with the Lexar Professional 128 gig SD card. Now, if y'all want to see this drone in action with an in-depth review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch y'all later.